Today I will discuss about what is Forex trading and beginner guide. Forex trading, a beginner guide. Forex is a prototype of the world foreign currency and exchanges. Foreign exchange is the process of changing one currency into for various reasons for commerce trading 2022. Payment report from the Bank for International Settlements or Global for National Central Bank. Ready to learn about Forex market, what they are used for, how to start trading. Key takeaways. The foreign exchange, Forex or Forex market is global marketplace for exchanging national currencies because of the worldwide reach of trade, commerce and finance. Forex market trend to be the world's largest and most liquid asset. Currencies trade against each other exchanges rate pairs. For the example, Euro USD is a currency pair for the trading euro against the US dollar. Forex market exit as spot, cash and evidential market offering. Some market participants use Forex to hedge against